Let's cook beef sinigang. We're going to saute the garlic. Grandma recipe. Beef. Then sprinkle with black pepper. So this is my beef sinigang spare ribs. So I used Instapot to make my spare ribs tender. Instapot for 18 minutes. Cook faster. Okay. Okay, so it's time to load our, what do you call this? Kangkong. Morning glory. This is the only glory that can eat. It's edible morning glory. So we just put right here. Let's turn up the heat. So do not overcook the morning glory or kangkong. Kangkong. See, kangkong. Yeah, kangkong. That kangkong. So thank you guys for watching. So I have some rest of the kangkong for the morning glory so that I can eat. Do not overcook the morning glory. Because the glory is overcooked. There's no more glory for the sad story. Okay. It's great. Thank you for watching the Ricky Baby Pablo Black. Again, continue subscribing. We'll continue to cooking. I'll do the cooking, you do the watching. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.